Hello guys, welcome to Rise Up with Abhishek, and today we are going to continue with the part 3 of our sandwich grabber game on Scratch. So this is part 3, and if you have not watched any of the part 1 and part 2, so please watch that and then continue with the part 3. So far what we have completed is we have a start button, we have time, we have score. Okay, this is all accessories we have. So this, I guess this part 3 is going to be the last part of this series, and in this part 3 we'll come in highest score and game over. So let us start. So first we'll create a new variables, highest score or your best we can say. So this is my variable name, and we can set it here. And now what we want is whenever this time is lesser than 1 minute pass, so what is the score or our best, it will set the your best, means our highest score. So for that we will create a new block, or we will create a new block. Well, for what is block? So in Scratch you can make your own blocks. Okay, like this block what we are using, we can also make your own block. So for creating that own block, you have to go to this my blocks and make a block, and you can add any parameter and any input to it and set it. You can make a new block. You can also name it. So we will say set highest score. Set highest score. Okay, now it will ask for what should be done in this block. So now we will mention what should be done. So forever loop, if time is smaller than 1, our variable time is smaller than 1, then it should brought then we can also use two conditions. Okay, and if time is smaller than 1 and is greater than, okay, score is greater than highest score, score is greater than our your best, means our highest score, then it will set highest score to score. This is a simple if condition. Now we want to call this block in our program, so we can call it whenever we want. We can also we will use different, we'll use different forever loop for it. Okay, let us check is it working or not. If it's not working, so we will resolve it. So now I have to play for a minute for testing. So you can see time is changing, my score is changing. So this is what we want. So what is we are, you can see now our time is smaller than 1 and our high or best is 100. So if I play it again and if I score my best, so it will again change your best. Means the condition is working fine. Now what we want, our game should be over at point. So we will create a new backdrop for it. Now, so we will create a new backdrop for it. We can fill it with your favorite color. You can also fill it with your favorite color. One, it will be holding a text. One game over and one time up. Yeah, this is looking simple and good. Now I will select one more backdrop and the default color will be same. So this was, I guess, the default color. And our text, time up. So now we have a text, simple. Okay, this is going to be a simple one. So now what we want, we will create a new block with name game over or ending game. Ending game. Okay, so now we have to define ending game. So now player, if time is, now we'll create a new forever loop, and in this we will add a if condition. Time is smaller than 1. And then broadcast a simple message. Okay, time up. And now if touching edges then broadcast game over. Okay, in backdrop, or we can not create, we can, when I receive game over, switch backdrop to backdrop 4, 3 backdrop 3. When I receive time up, switch backdrop to backdrop 4. Done. Let us check, is it working or not? Oh, okay. So it will be backdrop 3 and it will be backdrop 4. So yeah, it is working. Stop all, and one more block, stop all. So this will end our game. So guys, we have completed our game, and if you have watched all the parts, so that is awesome. And if you have not watched any part, so please watch that. And if you are successful and you have created your app successfully, so please like the series. And one more thing, if the total this total series of this game reach up to 50 likes, so I will share a new the whole project link, the project link which I am getting in the description box. So please try to increase likes. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned. We'll catch you next video. Till then, bye.